So this pegboard that you see here, I have an extra piece, and I plan on hanging it on this opposite side wall. I don't have enough wood to go around this pegboard, so I just plan on using this scrap wood that you see holding up the rake and the broom. So now I just have to remove all this junk, set it on the floor, get it out the way. Making all that noise. So now I'm just trying to see where I want to place it. And now it's time to cut up that scrap wood to help hang that pegboard. Now if I had enough wood, I would have went around the whole frame. But since I didn't, I just made some small pieces to go corner to corner and one in the center. Now that I took everything down, I don't even have anything to put up there. So I just hung up some of the things I had around. Eventually I'll add more. Not sure what to do with the clamps just yet, so I just put them in a bucket. This is my small garage. I try to keep it organized, but it just has a lot of stuff in it.